You ever have one of those days where nothing goes right? And by about noon, you start wondering why you got out of bed? Well, try having one of those days on a boat, in paradise. This is our story of how absolutely nothing went right in Bequia. The day actually started pretty well leaving St. Lucia. Weather was perfect, a sharp lookout was kept, and only 4 hours to Chateau Easy.
Or 8 hours to Bequia.
And this is how it starts.
Okay, until we know what actual wind we're dealing with, we're just going to bring it out to the first blade. Here we go. And the immortal words, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
So, how did you like our anchorage here at Soufrière in the Pitons?
What a lovely area. Just to be right in between the two pitons. It was beautiful, it was quiet.
So today we're headed off to Chateau or perhaps even Bequia in the St. Vincent Grenadines. So until we see you, hope you enjoy the sail. The sail so far has been easily 19 to 21 sustained winds. Gust 24.5 is what we've had. I mean, we're making great time. Our speed is 6.8 to 7.5. There's been the occasional 8.1, but that's rare. Seas are way too high. You can tell how big the waves are. Oh, here comes another good one. Hopefully the camera will be able to pick this up due to the angle. Well, let me tell you, this gets exciting. Tethering yourself in. Because some of these waves, easily 6 to 9 feet tall. Oh, here's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can feel that. We just take the fact that we're doing so well, speed. One of us is resting downstairs with a pillow, smiling at me right now and waving. That we should just make the run to Bequia. So no rest for the wicked. All this great sailing for speed has gotten me an extra 4 hours in.
If we're going to be out here for 8 hours, might as well make it a race. Trim the head sail, supercharge the mainsail, and wave goodbye to everyone. Don't kid yourself, it's always a race, and everyone knows it.
Bequia is one of those places that just makes you want to stay. It's beautiful, relaxed, and there's always something happening around the harbor.
And I've been looking forward to this reef. I'd never snorkeled here before. Highlight of the season it will be.
This is one of those days where truly the water is crystal clear and flat. You can even see the fish swimming below us in a circle.
Just a quick hello to Mojo.
But since you're already down there, there's 2 weeks of grunge on the hull.
You know how long that'll take?
Just a couple hours.
Awesome. So much for snorkeling the reef.
Can't believe you're letting me go wandering all on my very own.
I'm letting you go.
I'm getting over you. It's been fun.
I decided Liam should go into town by himself with 3 simple tasks to accomplish. Groceries, a chandlery item, and finally get a haircut. I know, ladies, I'm skeptical too.
To 60 altogether.
I may not have been responsible for purchasing fruit lately because perhaps inflation, affordability, all these great little keywords is catching up with me. 4 bananas, 5 local oranges, all local fruit, cost me about $10 American. Not sure that that's a good deal or not, just tastes expensive to me. So the phrase, no, they'll be here Thursday. So I was told Tuesday, now Thursday.
The chandlery will have what I need. It's just a screw and some ring glue. How hard can that be?
Well, I was short-lived. Couldn't get the right size screw with the right size head, but got something that'll temporarily work. Couldn't get the right bonding metal glue on the island anywhere after this long hour and a bit walking around downtown, but found something that will work possibly or temporarily.
Do you feel like a fish out of water yet? Things not going your way in paradise? Do you need someone to hold your hand to get anything accomplished?
Your encouraging words make me want to. I just need to escape humanity and get on Monashee where I'm safe.
We have some new neighbors right beside us. Tell the French? Well, they decided to park right beside us in the other monohull, despite all that real estate over there, and in front of us over here.
Now, because the wind shifts as expected, we're right in front of them, over their anchor. This is why you take the space, because you got the space.
You seem to have forgotten we're meeting everyone for wings.
You've got to be kidding. That's just... I'm good now.
What's your name? Ah, now we get shy. Yeah, I'm Liam. Nice to meet you. Good job. Have a good night. Bye. The Point Lounge. Here we are. Woo, a little free advertising for them. Maybe a free wing, right?
We've made it. Cold drinks, wings on the way. This is going right.
Nothing starts off a good wing night like
Rum punch.
rum punch. Cheers.
And as we waited for our friends to arrive, we waited for our wings too. And waited, and waited, and waited. And they never came despite repeated promises. Okay, it's a new day, it's a new life. I'm feeling good.
Another reason people like Bequia? Delivery service.
Fresh pastries.
Fresh pastries. Our friends won't believe we're getting fresh pastries delivered.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
What's your name? Limor. Pleasure, Limor. Go. Bye. So those pastries gonna be for breakfast now?
Absolutely. I was going to make scrambled eggs anyway, and so the croissants will be perfect with that. And then the pain au chocolat will be a little treat for us a little bit later.
Oh, all for me?
No, not all for you. For us. It's not always about you. And remember, everybody, living on a boat does not mean you have to be uncomfortable.
Except monohulls at anchor, but they get used to it.
So this will be the 5th time I've come for a haircut. Wouldn't that be funny if I can't?
Okay, 5th time. This is getting ridiculous.
That settles it. I'm getting my double and aloo pie before you. Who knows what's next?
Oh, I knew you'd be here. I just didn't know if you'd be here before us or after us, but I swear I knew you guys would be here.
Look at me, the friendly guy, shaking hands, hugging people. Good karma going into the universe.
Doubles are Trinidadian street food made with 2 pieces of fried bara,
Soft flat bread.
filled with curried chickpeas, topped with pepper sauce, chutney, and tamarind. While aloo pie is a fried pastry filled with seasoned potato. It's basically the sort of food you eat when you're hungry enough to stop caring about anything else. I noticed something.
What?
Liam's luck number 9 was actually a success.
You're right. My luck has finally turned the corner. What could possibly go wrong now?
This morning we're doing an actual hike.
Not a mountain climbing endurance challenge like our last episode?
No, Mount Peggy is a great walk for people of different skill levels with some beautiful views around Bequia.
Like seeing the island where they ceremoniously butcher whales during their annual indigenous hunt?
Like many events on Bequia, the weekly hike is informally organized by the cruisers themselves using WhatsApp groups and Facebook pages.
A hike, you say? This looks suspiciously like climbing.
This seems vaguely reminiscent of Petit Piton.
Reminds me of the lineup at the top of Everest.
Yes, just like.
Maybe they did.
That would not. We were off.
Oh, what kind of house?
Exactly.
And then it happened. Someone said they knew a faster way down, only 25 minutes, so naturally we followed him. He did not know at all.
So as every horror movie begins, we were lost in the woods, don't have a trail. Thankfully, we're all together. I've already chosen who I'm going to eat if we're stranded out here for very long.
I think this is it here, guys. Come over this way.
Oh, all right. We think we might have a trail.
Think a trail. Okay.
Find how to get there.
I'd go up and left. Still haven't found the trail yet, but we found a creek bed. You know, the wonderful thing about creek beds is they make a trail, except they're nice and slippery with slippery rocks, right, Mojo?
Oh, yeah.
And leaves collecting in them. And it just rained probably about 7 hours ago, so it's a little bit more slick than expected. So, make sure, folks, when hiking in the bush, you actually know the trails that you're going to take. We just follow blindly.
And if you want to get lost with us, hit like and subscribe and join our followers who obviously make questionable decisions like us. Kelly McGinnis, Ami JP, Dr. Badran, Julian Lin, Michael K, CPA, and Beef Enchilada.
Here's some good advice from search and rescue, which you used to be in. Don't get visually separated from the group. Been saying keep a good eye on somebody, only like maybe 20 yards ahead of the other. So lo and behold, I'm just going to sit here and wait till the other group behind me catches up. The group ahead can keep walking on if they want to, but always better together, right?
After numerous cuts, scrapes, and donating blood to the local thorns, we finally made it back. And somehow, the faster route took us 33 minutes longer than the long way. Awesome.
That was
Oh my gosh, my slip
30 degrees plus Celsius.
have to start the soup prayer pie.
Remember Liam's luck number 9, the doubles and aloo pie?
The one thing that actually went right?
Yeah, turns out someone I came into stupid close contact with was sick. Their entire boat was sick. Remember the Reef eyes wanting to snorkel? No more, not happening.
But we made it out alive.
Pretty low bar,
We had some cold drinks, eventually got a burger,
which took 45 minutes to get.
and made it back to the beach where we met some really great people.
And that's the thing. Even when everything goes wrong, we're still at anchor in Bequia where we can just watch the water and even laugh about the disaster that was my life.
So on balance, a tough day in paradise is still better than a good day at work?
Absolutely. Unless you're a Ferrari test driver, or a personal masseuse at the Playboy Mansion, perhaps a whiskey distillery taster, a panda bear cuddler.
Thanks for sharing our journey and subscribing. And check out this next video, as our story continues and we believe Mr. Bean would like it too.